Very good morning, boys. My dear boys of class 12, in my previous video lecture, I have completed the topic the factors affecting bad posture. What are the causes of bad posture? Today, I am going to complete one postural defect. There are 7 postural defects, deformities, which we have to go through. There are 7 postural deformities. Today I am going to complete one very common postural deformity, postural defect, which is known as kyphosis. काइफोसिस का हिंदी अग्र कुब्जता है, leaning forward, अग्र कुब्जता. Kyphosis is a very common postural defect, especially seen among the school-going children, school-going kids. This is a very common postural defect among the students. Few preventive measures should be taken. Now, before we go through it, we must have a clear-cut idea of what kyphosis is. In kyphosis, the dorsal region of vertebral column, dorsal region means the chest region of vertebral column, there is a natural curve that we all are having, वो curve सबका है. But those who are suffering from kyphosis, their curve is aggravated, their curvature is deep. In kyphosis, there is a deep curvature in the dorsal region or chest region of vertebral column, and as a result an individual leans forward. This is kyphosis, and this is very common. Why it happens? Because the students, they have to sit longer span of time, minimum 5-6 hours in the school, and sometimes we have seen, and you may have also seen, that the students are putting extra pressure, एकदम डेस्क पर सो गया है, सो के लिख रहे हैं. So no extra pressure should be given while sitting in front of computer, in front of laptop, or simply while you sitting in your school in the bench. You have to maintain the natural normal curvature of the spine. No extra pressure should be given, otherwise you will start suffering from kyphosis. Now, to maintain due to extra curvatures, body अपने आप ही, the body itself try to adjust, and to adjust the extra curvature of the body, the pressure goes on feet and the feet goes outward. Just to maintain the pressure of the extra curvature of the body, all the bones are related to each other. If one bone is displaced, the next adjacent bone will try to adjust it by itself only. So this is kyphosis. Now, what are the causes of kyphosis? Before I carry on, before I start the causes, you have seen that the backrest of the bench in the school are straight. Maybe it seems little bit uncomfortable, you cannot lean backward, but this is the healthy furniture, this is the accurate furniture of the students, correct furniture of the students, because they have to maintain the straight spine, straight curvature, the natural curvature of their spine for at least 6 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. It is a longer span of time, and every day you are coming, count it, how many hours per week. So while coming to a school, sit straight. Now, what are the causes? First cause is faulty sitting habit. झुक के अगर बैठोगे, faulty sitting habit. Unsuitable clothing. Suppose the collar of your shirt or t-shirt is very rough and it is colliding, and your neck is feeling discomfort. एक रुखड़ा sensation आ रहा है, abrasive sensation you are feeling. Then you will be like this to avoid this abrasive sensation. So rough collar, rough cuff of the sleeves, this should be avoided. Tight fitting shirt and pants should be avoided. You must wear your comfortable loose clothes. Faulty eyesight, faulty spectacle, इफ़ द पावर इज़ नॉट एडजस्टेड तो आपको झुक के देखना पड़ेगा, एंड नेचुरली ग्रेजुअली द हेड विल लूज इट्स ओरिजिनल प्लेस, द हेड विल लूज इट्स ओरिजिनल प्लेस. तो while sitting you will maintain the natural curvature of your spine, head will not tilt forward while writing or reading. This is another cause is hearing deficiency. So these are unsuitable furniture. समटाइम्स जो बैकरेस्ट बड़ा आरामदेह होता है, पीछे मुड़ने वाला आरामदेह सोफ़ा टाइप के, सो दीज आर वेरी वेरी इंजूरियस टू द स्पाइन एंड द कर्वेचर इज aggravated. Now what are the preventive measures to get rid of kyphosis? Faulty eyesight should be checked, number 1. Number 2, if you are having hearing deficiency, consult to the doctor. Number 3, don't wear the shirts with rough sleeves and collars. Number 4, sit properly in the school. Sit properly, maintain the natural curvature of the body in front of laptop or computer. Faulty eyesight should be checked. While sleeping or sitting, maintain the natural curvature of the spine. So these things we have to recollect. Kyphosis is finished. Thank you very much.